Hey, how you doing today? It's Reese with Adore Her Beauty, back with another video. And in this video, I am using my very own Adore Her Beauty wax, which will be coming to the market for consumer purchase very soon. Now, the official name for this wax has not yet been released. I am tying up a few loose ends. We're working on branding and packaging so that this can come to the market and it can be well presented to you. Now, I'm really excited about this wax because it is a great wax, and I have worked very diligently to be able to bring this to the market and it be a good wax that is going to meet the need required. Like a lot of the waxes on the market, they are not durable enough, they break, they're brittle, they just can't handle that tough hair. And I will tell you that this wax has an amazing pliability. It has that flexibility that I love. It's buildable, it hardens just the right amount, it sets really quickly, and so far I'm just falling in love with it with every use, and I know you're gonna fall in love with it too. Now, I will say the reason why I formulated my very own wax and want to bring this wax to the market is because of my sisters who have hirsutism. Now, if you do not know, hirsutism is male-like hair growth in women in areas where hair normally does not grow. This includes the facial area, this includes the chest, the stomach, the back, excessively on the arms, in areas where hair is generally thin or fine, aka vellus hair. But for some women, due to hormonal, due to genetics and other reasons, they have an excess production of androgen, which causes them to grow more hair than normal. For a lot of women, this is detrimental, especially when it's in the face and it's easily visible. So for a lot of women, they don't want to go to wax bars. They don't want to go out in the public because the hair growth, and they don't want to be judged. When you go into a wax bar, it's required that you have at least 4 to 6 weeks of hair growth in order for them to do an effective wax. For a lot of women, it's very hard to grow out this hair in order to get that good wax. So a lot of women want to wax at home. And that was the reason why I wanted to bring something to the market for them. They were my initial thought. They were on my mind and my heart initially when I was like, you know what? I'm going to try to give them something, because I get asked a lot, what kind of wax do you use? Where can I get it from? And the wax that I generally use in majority of my videos is Ezee Wax Cosmetics, but they only sell to professionals. So I wanted to create something that was comparable, because it is a really great wax. So I wanted to create something that was comparable to Ezee Wax, but make it available for consumer purchase. And yes, I got the formulation and I'm so excited to share it with you. Now, as you can see, this wax, based on what you've watched in this video thus far, it is a very creamy wax. It glides, it's like butter, it's so smooth, it has that pliability that I love, and it does the job to get that really deep embedded hormonal hair. You can not only use it on the face, but you can use it on the body as well.